Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to zoom in on your Instagram story. Instagram stories offer a quick way to share moments with your followers, and zooming in while recording or viewing your stories can help emphasize specific parts and view them, making your stories more engaging and making other stories more clear. And to do that, you just need to follow these few steps. And so listen very carefully and follow the steps with me, and we're gonna be able to zoom in on an Instagram story and zooming in while making an Instagram story. The first step is to open the Instagram app, and to do that just go to your phone and open the Instagram app, and if you're not logged in, just log in by entering your account credentials. The second step is to swipe left to access the story camera right here, like this. As for the third step, hold down the capture button to start recording your story, just like here. Now I'm holding it. Now to zoom in, just move your finger while pressing on the camera button right here. Move it up to zoom in, and you can move it down to zoom out, like this. Like you see in the video, I'm just moving my finger up and down, up for zooming in and down for zooming out. And just like this, you zoomed in or out while making a video. You can also zoom in on a story right here, like you see here. I'm just gonna use two of my fingers, and I'm gonna spread them to zoom in, or make them closer to zoom out. Bring them closer to zoom out. Now for additional tips, swipe up or down on the screen with one finger while recording to zoom in or out seamlessly, and combine zoom in with Instagram's built-in effects or filters for added creativity. Zooming in on Instagram is easy and adds depth to your content, whether you're capturing a close-up of an object or creating a dramatic storytelling effect or just viewing a reel on Instagram. This is a simple feature that can enhance your Instagram experience. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.